so freaking pretty.
Gel.
We got them at, we're actually standing almost like, called Kahiti Nails. They won an award. They're so good. They're third place, so you should definitely third place in nail salon. So
Go to Kahiti Nails.
Yeah, go. They're actually not that expensive as other things.
But they're
Actually,
really good.
gel, it's like $15 for 10 years old. 10-year-old. Anyway, so yeah, it's fun. So we just got done eating from, let me do this the right way because in the other video I did it, Subway. So we're actually kind of
Going on Florida, where is Florida?
Oh yeah, and if you come, the first 30 people who comment down below are going to get a free ticket or free tickets to go to our concert and to other concerts. Isn't it amazing? I'm meet and greet actually to see other people and me. And by the way, everybody is saying, did you copy off of somebody? No, we didn't. We just
Perfect angels.
We just made up two tie-dye girls like randomly since there's two of us.
Yeah,
like,
two of us are like so peace sign.
yeah. So we did tie-dye and we're like, oh, that's a good name.
I was like, she was like two something. I'm like, tie-dye girls? And she was like, yeah. I remember. It's like,
Yeah.